Manok ng bayan, choose to go Koki, let's go! Manok ng bayan, choose to go Koki, let's go! Manok ng bayan, choose to go Koki, let's go! Manok ng bayan, choose to go Koki, let's go! Choose to go Koki, let's go, let's go! Choose to go Koki, let's go, let's go!
Hi guys, I'm Christian Jacinto and welcome to a very special edition of the NVPC 24 All-Star Draft. Last year, we held the NVPC Draft for the very first time. This time around, it's gonna be a bit different as it's the captain's turn to make each selection for each team. That being said, allow me to introduce our captains for each team. Bannering Team Hustle is none other than UAAP MVP Kai Soto, while Team Heart will be bannered by NCAA MVP Joel Pagulangan. We have Norman Riego of ABS-CBN Sports, Randolph Yongson of Spin.ph, and Yoser Menta of ESPN5, people who have been covering the UAAP and the NCAA since day one this season. Before we formally kick things off, kausapin muna natin yung mga captains natin na gagawa ng selections for this year's draft. Kai, how do you feel about being named the captain for Team Hustle?
Sobrang happy and grateful na mapili akong captain na first time na magkaroon ng mga captain sa NVPC na magda-draft, and sobrang excited ako na ngayon pa lang na magda-draft pa lang ako ng players, and lalo na pag maglalaro na ako sa All-Star.
Joel, ikaw din, for the second time, your name was team captain of the NVPC 24 All-Star Game. How do you feel?
Sobrang happy po kasi binigyan ako ng opportunity na ganito. And syempre, pressure din kasi kay Soto yung kalaban. Kaya kailangan mo talagang pumili ng tatapat kay Soto.
This question is for both players. Pero simulan na natin kay Kai. What's your draft strategy given na ikaw yung unang magpitik dito sa NVPC All-Star Game?
Draft strategy ko bilang isang big man, siguro unahin ko makakuha ng mga magagaling na guards and mga wingman and mga big man na din. And ano lang, pipiliin ko lang yung kung ano talaga yung maganda para sa team, yung mag-fit.
And ikaw naman, Joel, ano strategy mo?
Of course, kay Soto nandun sa kabila. So, piliin ko yung big man. And siguro yung handa maglaro para sa team ko.
Here's what's gonna happen. Both captains will be picking players to fill up their rosters for the upcoming NVPC All-Star Game. Kai Soto, being the #1 ranked player in the NVPC 24, will be given the luxury to select first. After that, magsasalita na silang dalawa ni Joel until maubos yung mga players na nandito sa ating draft board. Again, andito na ang ating selection committee to give their input for every pick na gagawin ni Kai at ni Joel in this draft. So Kai, Joel, you ready? Simulan na natin itong draft na to.
Ready na po.
Ready.
Kai, since you're the #1 ranked player in the country, you get the first pick in the draft.
Okay, with my first pick, I pick probably sa opinion ko na best player ng high school. I pick Mark Nonoy.
Mark Nonoy, the first overall pick of Team Hustle. Guys, selection committee, your thoughts?
Grabe. We expected Kai to go with familiarity. With maling natin, baka dahil you guys na nakaharap niya sa finals, but he picked yung runner-up niya sa MVP race. Good first pick for Kai Soto.
Joel, sino ang yung first pick?
With my first pick, I pick Carl Tamayo kasi ito yung parang didepensa kay Kai Soto.
Carl Tamayo, the UAAP Finals MVP. Was an interesting matchup always with Kai Soto, guys.
Actually, magandang matchup yun. Nakita natin ng UAAP Finals. Magandang laban ni Carl Tamayo alongside Kevin Kembao guarding Kai Soto.
Okay, tuloy na natin. Kai, your second pick for Team Hustle.
With my second pick, I pick Jerry Abadiano.
Jerry Abadiano from, si Jerry Abadiano played a crucial role in National University's championship run the UAAP this season. Guys, your thoughts on Kai's pick?
Well, nakita natin yung gustong gawin yata ni Kai since a guy like Kai, a tall guy, a very skilled guy. Kailangan niya ng mga gwardiya to set him up to run with him, and now he has two good ones, actually great ones in UST Smart Nonoy plus si Jerry Abadjana na yun.
Interesting pick. Kai, Joel, your second pick.
With my second pick, I picked Inan Fornilos kasi kailangan ko ng pinaka-athletic sa high school.
So, Joel Tagulangan goes with familiarity and selects his teammate Inan Fornilos. Guys, your thoughts?
Hindi nakakagulat din. Pero hindi natin alam mamaya may pinag-usapan si Joel tsaka si Inan daw unin talaga sa team. Meron nga ba?
For our third pick for Team Hustle, Kai.
With my third pick, I picked my big man, Gio Chu.
Interesting pick. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang Twin Towers dito sa NBPC 24 All-Star Game. Guys, your thoughts on the selection of Gio Chu?
Kasi kung ang NU may Carl Tamayo at Kevin Kiambao, ang Ateneo nung throughout the season may Kai Soto at Gio Chu. At kung may both sa group pair ang UAP, I think that pair would be Gio Chu without a doubt.
Joel, your pick for Team Heart?
For my third pick, I'll go for Joshua David kasi para team up kay Inan Fornilos and Tamayo.
Talagang merong strategy si Joel Tagulangan dito, and that strategy is familiarity because dalawang teammates niya yung pinik niya for his team. Guys, your thoughts?
Yun, I basically said it. Familiarity. Now yung championship core ng LSGH nasa Team Heart na, and Joel knows how to play with these guys. Hindi na nila kailangan mag-practice basically. Itong tatlong tawagan na nila yan.
Now you've seen Joel's last few picks. Your fourth pick for Team Hustle.
My fourth pick, I picked Terence Fortea.
Terence Fortea will be the second guard from National University to get selected by Kai Soto. Guys, your thoughts?
We know what Terence Fortea can bring to the table, and definitely he will be a big boost sa offense ng Team Hustle ni Kai Soto. Lalo na, I mean, Kai NG is providing na yung size for them. So, another good pick for Kai Soto.
Joel, now it's your turn to get your fourth pick. Who's it gonna be?
For my fourth pick, I'll go for Harvey Pagsanhan kasi sobrang tagal niya na sa high school pero alam niya na kung anong gagawin.
So, Joel Tagulangan opts for the veteran Harvey Pagsanhan, a long-time national team member. So guys, your thoughts on Harvey?
Well, Harvey Pagsanhan is like, I guess, this season yung best kept secret sa high school. Not many people know this guy, pero of all na graduate sa high school players natin ngayon, etong Harvey Pagsanhan has the best potential to break out agad dun pagdating niya ng seniors level. So, interesting pick for Joel to pair with yung LSGH core niya.
Kai, we're ready for your fifth pick.
With my fifth pick, pipiliin ko yung matagal ko na gustong maging teammate. I picked Kevin Kiambao.
Kai Soto selects Kevin Kiambao from National University. Of course, what a joy to see them finally together on one team, guys.
Well, I think Kai's going for, if you can join them. I think that's the third NU Pro Pop. And okay na may isa pang big man si Kai. Siguro yung pagtatapat niya kay Carl Tamayo naman.
Joel, tell us your fifth pick.
With my fifth pick, I'll pick for Joem Sabandal. Since naging kampi ko siya ng grade 6, so gusto kong magtapos yung high school namin na magkalaro kami dalawa.
Oh, sweet.
Joel Sabandal of Adamson. Again, no familiarity talaga since that's his teammate. In grade 6, guys, your thoughts on this pick?
Joem Sabandal capped off yung breakout season niya this year with the mythical selection, and it was long overdue. Na-recruit siya from Cagayan de Oro because he had the potential, and nung naging main man na siya na Adamson, ayun, na-realize na yun, lumabas naman yung laro niya. Interesting lang na aside from Carl, puro gwardiya tong team ni Joel. So ano to, baka nila yung team nila ni Kai. Tingnan natin.
Okay, Kai, we're ready for your 6th pick for Team Hustle.
With my 6th pick, pipiliin ko yung talagang isa sa siguro pinakamatalinong player na naging kakampi ko, naging kalaban ko. I pick RJ Abarientos.
RJ Abarientos, well, needs no further introduction. Pero guys, your thoughts on RJ?
RJ Abarientos is sa mga nagpahirap sa Ateneo bago sila nakaabot ng finals. Sinasabi nga ni Kai, isa sa mga pinakamatalino, and what a joy to see RJ Abarientos and Terence Cortez in one team. Baka sobrang daming 3 points ang itira nitong dalawa na to.
Joel, your 6th pick?
For my 6th pick, na dapat back-to-back MVP sa NCAA Juniors, I go for Aaron Fermin.
Aaron Fermin from the Arellano Braves. Of course, the most dominant players in the NCAA Juniors. Your thoughts on Aaron Fermin?
Well, I think Joel said it quite nicely na dapat 2-time NCAA MVP siya. He's that type of player, very dominant. Hindi lang masyadong maganda yung record ng Arellano the past 2 years. Pero kung matchup na lang, I think Aaron Fermin is one of the best big men out there right now in high school basketball.
Ayun nga, sakto. Ito na yung hihintay na, aside from Carl, ito pa yung pantapat nila kay Kai.
Okay guys, bago tayo magtuloy-tuloy sa inyong mga picks for your respective teams, tanungin ko muna kayo, kamusta yung drafting so far? Kai, masaya ka ba sa mga nakuha mo so far?
Actually ako sobrang saya ko sa mga nakuha ko kasi itong mga 6 na na-pick ko, sila talaga yung talagang gusto ko ma-pick, and yun nga, masaya ako na nakuha ko sila, and okay naman para sa akin na kahit paano matatapatan namin yung team ni Maymay.
Joel, sinabi mo kanina before tayo mag-draft na you would be looking for big men to stop Kai, pero through 6 picks, parang pansin nga ng selection committee natin kanina na mas maraming guardia. Your thoughts on your first 6 picks muna?
Pinili ko lahat ng 6 na to kasi una-una, Kai Soto yung number 1 na kailangan tapatan. So, I go for Carl Tamayo and Aaron Fermin. So, yung guards na kasi kailangan ko rin ng scoring guard. So, pinili ko yung pinaka para sa akin na the best scoring guard sa high school level.
Thank you very much, Joel. So, tuloy-tuloy na natin. Kyle, let us hear your 7th pick in the NBPC All-Star Draft.
With my 7th pick, I will pick first na magkukuha ko sa NCAA si John Amores.
John Amores from Jose Rizal University. Kai Soto's first pick in the NCAA, guys. Give us your thoughts on John Amores.
John Amores, do it always for the JRU Light Bombers. Bright future ahead, pero bago nga siya mag-proceed sa seniors team, it would be a joy to see him teaming up with Kai Soto and the rest of the guys na nasa Team Hustle.
Kung babalikan natin sa NCAA, ito yung John Amores was one of the guys na nagpahirap sa buhay ni Joel Pagulangan. Kilala na yan.
Joel, that's your 7th pick in the NBPC All-Star Draft.
For my 7th pick, ito siguro mas nagpahirap sa buhay namin, Paulo Hernandez.
Paulo Hernandez, talagang kung pahirapan at pahirapan nandun for sa finals MVP in the NCAA. Guys, your thoughts on Paulo Hernandez?
Si Paulo Hernandez nag-pick up yung laro niya, especially yung Final Four, and sabi nga ni Joel ng finals, talagang pagkabigay ng bola sa kanya, tumipira siya ng mga step back, ng mga 3-pointers, long twos, and he was really on fire alongside sila Dan Arcos. Sila nag-step up in the loss of Clint Escamis in the finals.
Guys, we're ready for your 8th pick.
With my 8th pick, I pick Jonel Policarpio.
Jonel Policarpio, another member of the Mapua Red Robins, which won the NCAA title. Guys, your thoughts on Jonel Policarpio?
Jonel Policarpio, nobody knew him pagpasok niya kasi first year player, fresh recruit out of Pampanga. Pero once he played, kitang-kita yung athleticism niya. Never seems to run out of energy. Needs to work on his shooting, pero sa loob talaga may tutulong.
Joel, give us the 8th pick for Team Heart.
With my 8th pick, I'll go for Dan Arches kasi gusto ko yung ano niya, slowly but surely.
Another rival for Joel Pagulangan. He picks Dan Arches of the Mapua Red Robins, guys.
Dagger Dan was selected by Joel. Yun nga, again, familiarity playing dun sa selection ni Joel. Parang sunod-sunod yung mga Mapua na nakuha, di ba? But it would be a joy to see them on the same side naman for a change dito sa Team Heart ni Joel.
Bold, explain mo bakit pa siya naging Dagger Dan?
Maraming tinira si Dan Arches mula nung tail end ng eliminations ng NCAA to the Final Four, and ganun din naman yung ginawa ng finals nung sila yung kalaban ng LSGH. So alam mo yun, parang feeling ko even Joel is excited to have Dan in his team.
Exciting pick, definitely. And we have 4 more selections left. Kai, for your 9th pick, sino siya?
With my 9th pick, I will go to my brother, my best friend, Fortsky Padrigao.
Fortsky Padrigao. Speaking of familiarity, Kai Soto completes the Ateneo trio in a team hustle. Guys, your thoughts?
Well, Fortsky and Kai were the 1-2 punch of Ateneo. And ang maganda kay Padrigao, wala siya nung first half of the season sa UAP. And then, nag-skyrocket siya nung second half all the way to a mythical team selection. And siguro outside sila, Jerry and Mark Zonoy, Teres Fortea, Padrigao, kay grade 10 pa lang siya, he's right up there among the best guards right now.
We hear your 9th pick.
With my 9th pick, I go for Joshua Yero. Parang abay ba maglaro?
Joshua Yero, of course, from Cebu, from University of the Visayas, a standout in si Safi. Guys, your thoughts on Yero?
Sabi nga nung kasama natin sa selection squad na si Jonas Panera, he's basically the best Cebuano player right now. A do-it-all player from UV. Yun nga lang, sayang nga na parang he didn't get the honors that he deserves sa Safi, but eto dito sa NBTC, he's getting his due recognition.
Exciting times for a Safi player. Shout out to Jonas Panerio for helping out in the NBTC 24. Now we have 2 more selections for each team. Kai, let's hear your next pick.
With my 10th pick, ubusin ko na yung big man. I pick Bismarck Lina.
Bismarck Lina from University of Santo Tomas. Guys, your thoughts on Bismarck Lina?
Nakalimutan din natin na si Bismarck, well, if you're talking about familiarity, Bismarck was part of the Batang Gilas team. So, pag tignan mo yung buong lineup ni Kaya, meron kang Jerry Abadjano, Teres Fortea, Gio Chu, and now you add a Bismarck Lina. Medyo kumpleto na yung mga weapons ni Kaya para sa team hustle.
And to add to yung sinasabi mo ngayon, si Bismarck Lina will be reunited with his fellow Tiger Cub na si Mark Nonoy dito sa team hustle.
Last 2 picks for Team Heart. Joel, take it away.
For my 10th pick, I go for Mac Godania. Isa siya yung nagpapahirap sa amin pag Lyceum yung kalaban.
Mac Godania from Lyceum, of course, a do-it-all player in the NCAA. Guys, your thoughts on Godania?
A former Batang Gilas star din to si Mac Godania. Yun nga, parang pinunungan ni Joel ng hindi lang NCAA, pero yun nga, ang daming talented guards sa lineup niya. His game speaks for itself, and it would be a joy to see him playing alongside yung mga guys na hindi niya masyadong nakakasama, like sila Carl Tamayo and Harvey Pagsanhan sa Team Heart.
And to round up Team Hustle, Kai, let's hear your last pick for your team.
With my last pick, I pick Clint Escamis.
Clint Escamis, of course, Mapua's gunner. He's gonna join Team Hustle. Kai Soto. Guys, your thoughts on this pick?
Clint Escamis, before he was injured, probably the best shooting guard in the NCAA. Actually, kahit nung na-injure siya, nakita natin ng finals game 1 against LSG, against Sila Joel. Kahit parang he was like one-legged shooter, he was still knocking down shots. If he's healthy, he's one of the best, if not the best, shooting guard in all of UAP and NCAA. So kahit siguro injured siya, he deserves to be in the Final 24.
That leaves Rafael Go as the last selection for Joel Cagulangan's Team Heart. Joel, your thoughts on Rafael Go?
Narinig ko na sobrang hassle niya maglaro. Para siyang, I compared to him to a billionaire yung sa NU.
Guys, po to Rafael.
Good comparison. Energy guy si Rafael Go. He gets his buckets from hustle, from offensive rebounds. May inside game din naman, pero mas energy guy talaga siya. And it should be noted also na part siya ng Batang Gilas.
So guys, happy na ba kayo sa teams nyo? Baka may gusto pa kayong i-trade? Assess nyo muna yung lineups nyo. Your thoughts na rin sa drafting nyo. Happy na ba kayo sa nakuha nyo so far?
Para sa akin, sobrang saya ko talaga sa mga nakuha ko dahil talagang inuna ko yung mga talagang kakilala ko and nakikita ko talaga maglaro. Inuna ko yung mga UAAP na players and pumili rin ako ng mga talented na players sa NC. Kaya yung parang familiarity rin, yun yung parang magdadala sa amin, yung parang yung bond namin pagdating sa All-Star Game.
Joel, ikaw?
For me, sobrang saya. And alam ko na pag maglalaro kami sa All-Star Game, hindi namin iisipin na All-Star lang yun. Kailangan buwis buhay pa rin kami.
So wala talagang trades na magaganap between you two?
Wala, masaya na ako.
Since wala nang trade na magaganap, we have one more round of selection for our captains. Unlike last year where it was the coaches who selected the players who will be playing for them in the NBPC All-Star Game, it's now the captain's turn to select the coaches. Our coaches for this NBPC All-Star Game is no other than Mr. Charles Chu and Chris Gavina. So sino ang magiging coach ng Team Hustle and Team Heart, malalaman natin ngayon. Since si Kai ang naunang pumili kanina, we will be giving Joel Cagulangan the first pick for our coaches. So Joel, sino ang magko-coach sa Team Heart?
Itong coach na to, alam kong mag-guide niya kami and bibigyan niya kami ng magandang offensive plays. So I'll go for Charles Chu, Coach Charles Chu.
Coach Charles Chu will be coaching Team Heart, and that means it will be Coach Chris Gavina who will be handling Kai Soto and Team Hustle. Kai, your thoughts on working with Coach Chris?
Sobrang excited din ako maging coach si Coach Chris and yun nga dahil naging PBA coach siya and maraming sinasabing magandang bagay tungkol sa kanya yung dad ko and kaya yun, sobrang excited ako para maging player niya.
So nakaset na ang mga players, nakaset na rin ang mga coaches now. Let's discuss a bit yung nangyaring selections and nangyaring pagpili ng coach ng both captains natin. Guys, give us your initial thoughts on the composition of both teams and what can we expect in the NBPC All-Star Game?
Sorry. Ang pinaka first na naisip ko after all the selections is ang laki ng Team Hustle. Halos inubos nga ni kayong big men. But at the same time, nakuha rin yung many of the UAP staff guards. Jerry, Nonoy, Portea, Padrigao. So, ang interesting dito kasi familiarity yung parehong teams eh. Ito, Ateneo, NU core, nandito yung LSGH Mapua core. So, NCAA finalists, UAP finalists, very interesting battle.
Parang ang dami rin kinuha ni Kai na former Batang Gilas players dun sa Team Hustle. So, again, it bodes well dun sa team na familiarity talaga yung trend nila. And aside from the UAP players, kumuha rin siya ng mga players na nagpahirap kay Joel Cagulangan this past NCAA season.
Actually, kahit medyo daunting nga yung size ng Team Hustle, yung mga napili naman ni Joel, I think for Team Heart, maraming two-way players, maraming very versatile forwards like Cornelius, David, Piero, just complement with the game of Aaron Fermin and Carl Tamayo. I think size will play a bit of factor for Team Hustle, pero in the long run, the speed and versatility of Team Heart, magandang laban yan.
Interesting yung mga selections, but who are you most excited for, seeing these kids team up with each other?
Siguro immediately Mark Nonoy and Kai Soto kagad yung athleticism ni Mark Nome plus yung height and verticality. Kaya magandang tingnan nyo siguro. We'll see a lot of highlights and siguro dunks and alley-oops from Team Hustle.
Ako excited daw dun sa chance to see Carl Tamayo and Kevin Kiambao face off. Sana magkaroon ng chance yung Twin Towers ng NU to meet din sa All-Star game natin.
Siguro rin para sa mga other fans or coaches na hindi nakapanood ng masyadong high school basketball, for guys like Harvey Pagsanhan and yung mga guys from Cebu, and they will finally be able to showcase their skills ito sa All-Star game natin.
And thank you very much, Yo, Randolph, and Norman, of course, are very knowledgeable group of selection committee for the NBPC 24. Mabalik naman tayo sa dalawang captains natin, Kai and Joel. Do you have a message for your new teammates?
Message ko lang sa mga new teammates ko na pinili ko kayo for a reason. Hindi ko naman kayo pipiliin ng chamba-chamba lang or napipilitan ako. Kaya pupunta tayo sa All-Star game na lalaban and talagang mananalo. And magtutulong-tulungan tayo para makuha natin yung W.
Joel?
Message ko sa mga kampi ko. Maglalaro tayo na may puso, kaya nga Team Heart. Kasi ibigay natin lahat, kukunin natin yung panalo.
So that wraps up our NBPC 24 All-Star Game Draft. But before we go, we would like to thank our sponsors, Chooks to Go, of course, Boss Ronald Mascareñas and Boss Mel Makasakit, Rebel Sports, and of course our NBPC 24 Selection Committee. Again, Yo Sarmenta from ESPN 5, Randolph Yongso from Spin.ph, and Norman Diego from ABS-CBN Sports. And of course, salamat din sa ating mga team captains, Kai Soto for Team Hustle, and Joel Kagulangan for Team Heart. Game is set on Saturday, March 23 at the Mall of Asia Arena, and it will be aired on ESPN 5 at 3 p.m. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, NBPC League PH, and follow our social media accounts below. Again, I'm Christian Jacinto, and I thank you for joining us in the NBPC 24 All-Star Game Draft.